For shoyu aged sauce, batch soy sauce, batch 0001, every grain is critical.
The automated turning is maintaining optimal aeration.
Yes, the timing on batch 001 is spot on.
The koji from batch 001 shows excellent mycelial growth, indicating a robust fermentation process.
Valve timing synchronized for batch 001.
Acknowledged. Flow rate is stable. Welcome to the future of brewing. This is the Moromi mash for shoyu aged soy sauce, batch 01, flowing into our sealed fermentation tanks.
As the days pass, the fermentation process deepens the color of batch 001, carefully monitored every step of the way.
The pressure on press 3 is fluctuating slightly above tolerance.
The flow rate remains steady at 200 liters per hour. It should stabilize.
The clarity is exceptional on this batch, wouldn't you agree?
Absolutely. Batch 001 is looking perfect.
We're sending this batch to the fertilizer line. Monitor the moisture levels closely.
Understood. I'll log the diversion time.
Batch 001 soy sauce layered filtration processes to ensure.
In these vast tanks, batch 001 of shoyu aged soy sauce is gently rotated.
Set point confirmed at 35 degrees Celsius for batch 001.
Readings are stable. Flow rate looks good.
Batch 001 undergoes precise temperature control within these heat exchangers, a critical step for flavor development.
We are at 18.5 degrees.
Confirmed. Confirmed. Logging the reading now.
Aroma is consistent, deep mahogany color.
Salinity reading is 4.2%. Batch 001 approved.
Confirming the shoyu order. Batch 001 is cleared. All right, sending the manifest now.
Transporting the highly anticipated Batch 01, the Shoryu convoy ensures that only the finest aged soy sauce reaches the market.
Scan the batch 001 immediately.
Confirmed. Moving to the main conveyor now.
They aged this one for a long time.
See the label? Yes, it must have a very deep flavor. Let's get it. All right, all set. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.